All right, so React and Chill gonna be reacting to a request by Felipe, and oh, that's right, it's Felipe. So let me put the cowboy hat on. All right, and this request is refused. I mean, it's not refused, but it's refused. That's the name of the band. The song is New Noise. Okay, I've not heard this before. Gonna check it out. Okay, for the first time. Here we go. First we got to put it on the screen though. There we go. Okay, I'm liking this. Let's turn it up. Oh, these British guys are gonna wow us right now, huh?
Gotta scream! Yeah! We're that corrosion! Come on, gonna do big! Woo! We're that corrosion! Come on, gonna do big! Yeah, rusted mire. Can't afford the beauty of it. Can't afford the luxury of turning our heads. Just $1,000 smile and behold the creation of man. Great words won't cover up the actions. Woo! We're that corrosion! Come on, gonna do big! Yeah! We're that corrosion! Day's over. Hey! The doors are locked on us. Money buys the access! And we can't pay the cost. How can we expect anyone to listen? If we're using the same old voice, we need new noise. There are some real people. We dance to all the roses. We go all the roses. We dance to all the roses. We're not faded. We dance to all the roses. We go all the roses. We dance to all the roses. We're not. We're not. We're not. We're not. We're not. We're not.
He's just hitting the guitar.
Dance. All the wrong songs. Enjoy. All the wrong love. We dance. All the wrong songs. We dance. All the wrong songs. Enjoy. All the wrong love. We dance. All the wrong songs.
Crawling, slipping along the edge of a
This part's weird, man.
crazy and surviving.
Here we go!
Pretty cool, man. I'm liking this. I have no idea what he's saying. But he definitely sounds pissed. Man, those Brits, man, they pulled it off in that song, man. That was cool. That was cool stuff. I like that. That was high energy, man. They came out swinging. They came out aggressive. That was so cool. That was so cool. Okay. Yeah, that was a very cool song. Just the tone of it, man, and how hard it hit, man. And I like the electronic stuff that was happening, man. The little, I don't know how to explain it. It was good. All of it was good. Is this another band that the Warning Girls like? Because this was 17 years ago. What? Holy crap. I where have I been? Wow. Okay. Yeah, that was cool. Definitely I'll react to another Refuse. Definitely. For sure. Yeah.